are thin or full-figured, you need to pay attention to where you store the fat in your body. That's because it's giving you important health signs which need your attention in order for you to live a wholesome life with a captivating silhouette to match. Today's video will discuss how to learn where you carry excess fat and make it vanish. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. How to spot the extras around your body. Breast and arms. Your white fat cells can be stored around your breast and arms due to genetic reasons and burn off only through full body weight loss. That's why you should be aware of your body mass index. First, BMI can be calculated by dividing your height by the square of your height. You can use a BMI calculator or NIH to find out yours. A BMI of 30.0 is considered obese and it is a call for weight loss. Abdomen. For females, a waist size of more than 35 inches or 88.9 centimeters is considered obese, and for males, a waist size of 40 inches or 101.6 centimeters is considered as important marker of extra fat around abdomen, hips and thighs. To understand if you have extra weight around this area, you have got to check your waist to hip ratio, which can be calculated by your waist size divided by your hip size. According to the World Health Organization, the ideal waist to hip ratio should be 0.9 inches or less for men and 0.85 inches or less for women. Abdomen. A recent study shows that thick waist is a sign of a potential heart attack or diabetes down the road. The fat around the waist area is called visceral fat, which is actually stored around your vital internal organs. A pure shape has a narrower waist and shoulders than the hips. If you have a pear-shaped body, it doesn't necessarily mean you are at risk. However, pear-shaped women have a tendency to gain weight and become an apple shape, especially after menopause. An apple shape has a larger waist than the shoulders and hips. That's the one to avoid. Once you start exercising with a high-fiber diet, your waist area will be one of the first body parts to show good results. Focus on cardiovascular exercises like running and cycling before getting ready for your six-pack. Also, don't forget that stress and irregular sleeping patterns may add to the extra fat around your waist. Breast and arms. Although overall weight loss is commonly suggested, you can benefit from spot fat reduction where you burn fat in specific area and show the muscles underneath. Also, you may want to get your insulin levels checked if you suffer from obesity. Drinking a lot of water and eating high-fiber food along with body weight exercises like push-ups, planks, and tricep dips can help while trying to slim down your breast and arms. Do more cardio to tone your muscles for a balanced figure. Hips and thighs. The fat around the hips and thighs is considered subcutaneous fat. That means this acid doesn't get in bloodstream and harm internal organs by accumulating right under the skin, making it comparatively safer than waist fat. A study conducted by Oxford University shows that a large bottom may help to prevent heart disease and diabetes because the fat stored in the thighs, bottom, and hips has fatty acids from the food we eat. Reducing fat around the hips is possible through full body weight loss. Replace processed food and sugar with fresh, seasonal meals and natural sugar. You can likely benefit from high-intensity interval training which can give you efficient results. For this kind of workout, you will do short periods of intense exercise and rest for a specific period of time. Do you have other tips and tricks to share with our community? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.